You're talking about manual mistakes. Some data need to be fueled also from other systems. I mean, if we look at an account plan, we can look at a static document that is made, and then we look at it 3 months or 6 months from then.
Yeah.
But ideally, you would like, if you have an objective in an Excel sheet, you would like also to have the target.
Exactly.
And what would be the limitations there? Because I remember we had some customers that really try to make it as dynamic as possible, and they update it every week.
Yes.
We talked about APIs in another interview where you actually want to have your data immediately up there. So yeah, that's something.
Definitely the issue. I mean, you can have macro and you can put all types of formula, but at the end, you won't be able to synchronize all your data together. So you will never have the latest update of the status for a specific partner.
Yeah, got it. I mean, and in these days, everybody expects to be served and have the right data instantly, right?
Yes, it should be so easy. You should be able to connect. And also one of the other limitations of Excel is the fact that you don't have any template. So how can you make objectives, key results in a structured way to make sure that they are all linked together? It works. But it's not something you can scale as soon as you want to have more and more partners.